Hey there, friends. What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing great and having an awesome day. If you use Facebook daily, then this video is going to be very important for you because in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook password step by step in the easiest way possible. Open the Facebook app. From the main screen, look for the menu icon, which is usually at the top right or left corner, or sometimes at the bottom, depending on your device. Tap on the menu icon, then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on Settings to open your account control page. Now find and open Account Center, where Facebook keeps all important account and security options. Inside Account Center, tap on Password and Security. Then select the option Change Password. Now choose your Facebook account. Enter your current password first, then type your new password and confirm it by typing it again. Once everything is correct, just tap on Change Password. Your password will be updated instantly and your account will become more secure. And that's it for today. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.